Hello kids, hope you are all fine. So children, now I'm going to teach you the next part of computer is storage devices. Yes, as you had already read about input devices, output devices, and the other one is storage devices. Okay. A computer uses many devices to store important data and information in the computer. It means whatever we do on computer, where it stores, of course, it is a kind of device, so where all the datas are stored. Okay, so these are called storage devices. The most common storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. So let's describe about a hard disk. So as you can see the picture of hard disk, my dear students. Now hard disk is like a rectangular box. You can see the shape of this hard disk. It is in rectangular shape. It is fixed inside the CPU box. ये CPU box के अंदर fixed होता है. It can store huge amount of data. Now next, CD, DVD. Of course, you have already seen this CD. A CD DVD is round in shape. It helps you to store large amount of data. You can also store your data in the CD or DVD. A DVD stores more data than a CD. It means DVD stores more data than a CD. CD से ज़्यादा DVD में डेटा स्टोर किए जा सकते हैं. It is also used for listening music and watching movies. Yes, my dear students, as you can see here, it also can be used listening music and watching movies. It means with the help of CD or DVD we can watch movies or listen to the songs. Now pen drive. A pen drive stores data that can be copied to any other computer. It means, yeah, students, you can see the picture of pen drive. It is very small storage device, but it stores data, and the data stored in it can be copied anywhere else to any other computer also. As the pen drive is small in size, it can be carried anywhere. It is very small in size, so it can be carried anywhere. We can keep in our bags, in our pouch, or can be taken anywhere. It is also known as flash drive. So its other name is flash drive. Okay. So this was the chapter about input and output devices. So students, here you have learnt input devices, output devices, storage devices. So these are the things, students, you have to revise. Please students, you have to draw the picture of keyboard, mouse as input device, monitor. Children, any one printer you have to draw, only one printer. So students, revise your chapter right from the beginning. So children, it's time to do your exercise. Fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. So here hints are given. You can see first, CD stands for compact disc. Okay. Second, the input devices are used to enter data into a computer. Third, a mouse has 2 buttons on it. Fourth, A microphone is used to record our voice into a computer. Fifth, output devices are used to display the final output. So students, you have to do in your book only. Please do not do this in your copy. Okay, let it be here only in the book. Question B, write T true or F false. First, output devices are used to display the final output. So it's true. Speakers are used to record sound. No. So it's false. Inkjet is a kind of printer. True. A printer shows the text on the monitor. No. So it's false. A standard keyboard has 105 keys. No. A standard keyboard has only 104 keys. So it's false. So students, please do it thoroughly. Question number C. Match the parts of a computer with their pictures. So pictures are given over here. You have to match them with their names. Pen drive here, mouse here, speakers here, headphones, this is here. Part B, hard disk, CPU, hard disk, microphone and monitor. So match it properly. Now students, page number 30, question number D, tick the right answer. Options are given here. You have to choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is not used to store data? So this is keyboard. These two are storage devices. So keyboard is only input device, so you have to check it. Question number 2. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Soft copy, record copy or hard copy. So hard copy is the correct answer. Question number 3. A mouse helps in playing games and drawing pictures. Keyboard, mouse, CPU. So mouse is the correct answer. 4. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. So this is keyboard. Question number 5. A pen drive is also known as flash drive. Yes students, I have already taught you that the other name of pen drive is flash drive. So this is pen drive. Okay. So students, do it in your book. Question answer will be done in the copy. I will tell you later. So do it in good handwriting. God bless you. Take care all.